Our topic for today is the difference of two even powers. Even numbers are divisible by 2 without a remainder. So, the first one is this one. This one is the difference of two squares. So, quantity A minus B times quantity A plus B. So, the difference here is the sign minus and this is plus. And yes, the answer is A squared minus B squared. So for the next, that is one, we have here a power of 2, an even number, and here 2. So the next one is quantity A minus B times A cube plus A squared B plus A B squared plus B cubed. So we have here A, just like the odd difference of two odd powers. We have A and the sign between A and B, the binomial factor, is minus. And here we have a plus, 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 and the power of A is descending, meaning from the 3, 2, and 1, and the power for B is ascending from 1, 2, and 3. And so you have to multiply A to all the terms of the polynomial. So multiplying, we have A times A cube is A to the fourth. A times A squared B is plus A cube B. A times A B squared is A squared B plus, and last A times B cube is A B cube. Then we have to multiply A minus A B cube. We have minus A minus B times B, A cube is minus A cube B. And we have here minus B times A squared B is minus A squared B squared. And B times AB squared is minus AB cube. And the last, minus B times B cube is minus B to the fourth. So we have here opposite in sign. This is plus and this is minus. This is plus and minus, plus and minus. So all of this cancels a zero. So the two terms left is combining the like terms. The two terms left is the A to the fourth minus B to the fourth. So 4 power 4 is an even number. So this is the difference of two even. Example, quantity a 3x minus 2 times quantity 27x cubed plus 18x squared plus 12x plus 8. So here we can have that one, this one as the 27x cubed is from 3x here, and this one is from 3x squared times 2, 2, and this one is from 3x times 2 squared, which is 4, 12. And the last is the cube of 2. The cube of 2 is 8. So from here, we can have the shortcut that multiplying this one is just like making x, multiplying this one to this one, this polynomial is just making this is equals to 3x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth. So 3x to the fourth is 81, and 2 to the fourth is 16. So the final answer is 81 x to the fourth minus 16. This is the answer of multiplying quantity 3x minus 2 times 27x cubed plus 18x squared plus 12x plus 8. So for higher even power, we have here for the power to the 6, we have here quantity a minus b times a to the fifth plus a to the fourth b plus a cube b squared plus a to the a squared plus b cube plus ab to the fourth plus b to the fifth. So descending power of a while ascending power of b. So the answer for this is equals to a to the 6 minus b to the 6. Just you can have doing this as multiply a to the fifth minus b times b to the fifth is b to the 6. So a to the 6 minus b to the 6. This is the difference of two even powers. How about sum of two even powers? So in that case, this is not, we have here a plus b. Since we have to for binomial to have sum of two even powers, we have just like the odd sum of two odd powers, we have to use a plus b and a cube, but here we have to alternate plus here, and this is minus and this is plus, but we end up with a minus here, which is not, this will not yield a positive result of if we multiply b to b cubed. So there's no such thing as uh, sum of two even powers. And that a product of multiplying a binomial a plus b. So we cannot have that one because we should have the last term, the polynomial factor to be positive. This should be b, and this one should be plus b cube, but because we alternate a here negative and here have a positive, we end up with a negative, and that in this case this will not yield to a sum of two even powers. So there's no such thing as product that is the sum of two odd powers. So we only have this one, the difference of two even powers. So you can also extend to the 8 a to the 8 minus b to the 8. Just make this one to the power of 7 and this one to the power of 7 with descending power of a and ascending power of ascending power of a and ascending power of b.